Hi friends, it's almost Harold's birthday. I'm putting together a birthday package that's going to include a tassel garland. So today on Quarantine Crafts, I'm going to show you how to make a quick tassel. The things that you'll need for this project are scissors, yarn, your hands. Gather your things and let's go make this. Take the end of your yarn and pinch it between your middle and your index finger. Wrap it around your 3 fingers over and over and over again until you get the perfect tassel shape. Cut it free. Now take your yarn and pull it between your index and middle finger. Tie a loose knot and gently slide your yarn off of your fingers. Tie it tight, double knot, cut it free. Now cut through all of those loops on the long end of your tassel. Clean up your ends, and just like that, you made a tassel. I'm stringing multiple together to make a garland. You can also string them together to make yourself a necklace, or add a post and make them into earrings. Try experimenting with different types of yarn and string for different results. If there is a craft that you think I should tackle, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to send this off to Harold. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time.